This hotel like my house. I love this hotel like my house. Great gem. This hotel is lovely, very relaxing after a busy day sightseeing. Modern and super clean. Rooms are small but laid out well, so we had plenty of room for our luggage. This will definitely be my go-to hotel for London stays. The junior suite was perfect for a couple genuinely didn't want to leave the room, it was so amazing. Great front desk staff too. Exceptional nice location. Loved our stay there. We stayed there for about a week and there is nothing much to complain about except about the bed. We realize it's two single beds combined to make a bigger one. Nonetheless, location is great and for Muslim people would definitely recommend this place. Is around the area, there is a lot of halal food. Staffs there were also great and friendly. Thank you. Great location, spacious room, value for money. This hotel is conveniently located next to food, supermarkets and the underground. Almost never left the hotel, it's so comfortable. No doubt we'll be staying here again next time. Friendly staff and near underground station. The best place to stay to experience London. La Suite West is such a great place to stay. The location is fantastic and the rooms are lovely. The staff are extremely friendly and helpful and will do their best to help you enjoy your stay. Good place to stay, just few minutes walk to the train station and hotel offers great hospitality. Holiday value for money. Location was great for us to access lot of choice of restaurants. Room was a bit small but is good enough to stay for us. Good location, easy access to tube. Nice room. Their room is excellent. We got the room in the first level. The interior just nice and elegant. Superb location is superb, very clean and their staffs are helpful and friendly. Location is just superb. A walk to two tube stations, Bayswater and Queensway, and bus stops. Best hotel and everything. The staff was so nice, especially Jihan and Mabel. This is the perfect location for the buses and trains, with lots of facilities nearby Hyde Park. PLS really clean and quiet, but I just have one thing: when they prepare breakfast I had the smell in my room. One of best choices to stay in London, quite satisfied in my budget situation.